How to make ketchup for your kids at home. Prepare it in minutes. Delicious and easy to make homemade ketchup. How to make ketchup at home in a simple way that does not exceed a few minutes. Ingredients: 2 tomatoes, a cup of water, a tablespoon of starch, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, a quarter of a spoonful of meat spices, a large spoonful of vinegar. How to make ketchup. Chop the tomatoes, and then filter them into a bowl. Then put the tomatoes on the stove until they turn yellow and mix well. Add the vinegar, and stir the tomatoes well. Put the water with the starch with the rest of the ingredients, and stir them well until complete homogeneity. Then add the rest of the ingredients to the tomatoes inside the pot and leave them on the fire, and stir them well until they are completely homogeneous. After the texture becomes like the thickness of pudding, but without being light in color, remove it from the fire. Put the texture in an aluminum or stainless steel bowl, and put it in the refrigerator to cool it quickly. After taking it out of the refrigerator for 60 minutes, put the ketchup in a reusable bottle and close it well.